there was a special mention of deepening the defense and security partnership. Do you think that's a new? Because traditionally, if you look at our relationship, we are deep, long relationship with UK, but the defense partnership is very weak. We have deeper partnership with Russia or Moscow, but not with UK. So in context of Germany, just break it down for us. What is the defense and the security partnership we are talking about?
Well, I cannot go into the details of defense and security partnership because I think they're still being worked out. If you read the statement, there are some clear indications of joint exercises and partnering on that. But where I see a huge opportunity is on innovation in the defense sector,
Okay.
and that includes manufacturing. It includes resilience in supply chains. Germany and India share very strong complementary skills. So you might have noticed very clearly that whether it's solar energy, whether it's semiconductors, whether it's AI, and even digitalization, the competitiveness of German manufacturing is being challenged right now, thanks to a large extent by the Chinese
Yes.
intervention into this area. But with India, they have a huge chance to gain back on time, on scale, and speed, because in India you have that advantage that we can very quickly turn around a manufacturing setup. We can also give value for money. So the cost and arbitrage that you have in India, I don't think you have anywhere else. So if we were to combine the strengths between the two, whether it's in defense, whether it's in energy, whether it's in semiconductor, and again, I'm saying that I'm delighted to see that the statement focuses a lot on frontier technologies rather than brick and mortar. And that is a huge window of opportunity for us to really curate collaborations. And I must say that we should be very, very focused on bringing the German Mittelstand to India this time. This is an area which has always been ignored to some extent, not given enough attention or support. It requires a framework of strategic partnership and sustained efforts, because the German Mittelstand is heavily technology strong, but is a little reticent to explore new markets. And unless we reach out to them, the big ones from Germany are already here and they're doing extremely well.